On behalf of Sri Tulja Bhavani College of Engineering Tuljapur and our training and placement cell, here I am Professor Santosh Ekdante. Welcome to our final year computer science student. Here on this platform, I want to introduce our upcoming drive, which will be held on coming week. The name of company for the campus drive, which is of WebTech Developers Private Limited, Pune. I want to introduce about the company. This is a product-based company for the Windows platform. More focuses on developing a video security, that means video surveillance and speech software. Specialized in a building powerful, easy to use applications using C#, mobile apps for Android and web apps. This company is coming for our college campus to recruit to our students on various positions, including associate Android developer. The package is of 2.7 lakh per annum. Associate developer, the package is of having 3.25 lakh per annum. Associate web developers package 3.25 lakh per annum. Software tester package 2.3 lakh per annum. After selection on this various position, the training period will be allotted, which is of 3 months, and that depending on the candidate's performance. That means either they will keep the candidate onto the training period. If the behavior of the student is not good, they will be fired out. And onto the training period, the stipend will be given up to 10,000 for each student. And after completing the training, the candidate will be recruited by the company on their respective positions with above salary structure. But in case of student is of MCA background, the training period will be extended up to 6 months. We will see one by one positions and what will be the selection process they will be applied. For associate Android developer, the student must be given online Android aptitude test. Then after written test of students from this shortlisted from the first round, into the written test they will be checked your grammatically, you are good into the English grammar. They will be give some kind of essay writing to you. Then after in the third phase, you have to give a practical test or practice test in a Android Studio. And finally the interview will be you have to give. What are the skill sets it requires? You must have excellent communications and writing skill. Should have developed at least 2 apps onto the Android Studio. And student with good knowledge of Android Studio, JSON, Android custom layout, SQLite database, services, fragments and broadcast receivers. Into the associate developer, the student must be given online test based on C, C++, SQL and general computer knowledge. Like previous, there might be a written test of student of all shortlisted from the first round. Then after technical round and finally HR interview will be conducted. What are the skill set it requires? The excellent communication and writing skill, strong troubleshooting and problem solving skill, student with good knowledge of C, C++, C#.NET, strong code concept, and UML and design pattern will be preferred. That means student must be having a thorough knowledge about unified modeling language to work on a design area. Into the associate web developer, the student must be given online test based on C#, database, ASP.NET, HTML, CSS and JS, that means JavaScript. Written test of student shortlisted from the first round as previous one. Programming test in ASP.NET, and finally interview will be takes place. What are the skills it require? Like previous one, here also excellent communication and writing skill student must have. Strong troubleshooting and problem solving skill. Student with good knowledge of ASP.NET, C#, Microsoft SQL Server and MySQL. Strong hook concept. JavaScript jQuery will be preferred. Here in this associate web developer, student must have a knowledge about front-end technology as well as back-end technology, because here again database MySQL comes. We call as a, you can say, a full stack developer as well for this web developer. Last but not least, the position of software tester. You have to go online aptitude test for that. Written test of students after shortlisted from the first round. Product testing, that means here on this third phase, product testing, the interviewer will be check out your testing skill, and finally the interview will be takes place. Skill set require excellent communication and writing skill. The candidate who want to pursue a career in manual testing and should be aware of V model testing. Strong troubleshooting and problem solving skill the student must have. This is about a software tester. Every student must be choose a one position, and based on that position he or she must be give the test. One student cannot choose two positions, and you cannot give for two role the online test for two role. You cannot give that. Once we have given online test, you cannot sit for the, that means unfortunately if you fail or if you get failure on this test, you cannot sit at least 1 year. About the eligibility and location, the student must be having ME, MTech, BE in a CS or IT field and pass out of year is 2021 batch. No criteria for 10th and 12th. Those students having a less mark in a 10th and 12th having a good opportunity here. Minimum aggregate for engineering, it would be a 55. In a curriculum vitae, student must be put their skill sets onto resume. Exact match of their skill set based on their positions they have chosen. Job location, this company is located in a Kothurudi area. And about the website, here the URL is given www.webtechdevelopersprivatelimited.webtechdevelopers.com. You have to go to the website for more detail. And phone number is 8208461584. If you have a query, you can reach to this contact number. All the best to all final year computer science students. We will be fix the date of our online test as soon as possible. This is up to. Thank you for this.